Hey, just so you know, this thing is rusted like real thin here, and this one's cracked. And it looks, I don't know what that little like BB is in there, but anyway, yeah, we see it look, and it's all rusty. I mean, it's been cracked for a while. Anyway, you might, I could weld that up. Okay, I got the crack all welded up. I've got it thickened up. I've got that side thickened up. I've got it resurfaced and getting ready to put it together. Got you studs and bolts and everything. We'll get this thing together. Okay, both of them, cleaned the intakes, brand new exhaust manifolds, resurfaced the intake surface where it mounts to the exhaust manifold on both of them, and assembled and then resurfaced. Turned out really nice.